my second lecture about this wastewater engineering. It is about the sewer and sewer system. Let me tell you. First of all, I had explained to you about the sewage. Now this sewage is produced and this sewage is collected and transported and disposed of properly, and that system which is used to collect, transport and dispose of the sewage is known as the sewer system. So just write down this small definition. It is the system that collects, first point, collection. Second, transport it. Mean conveying to the other position, and dispose of it in a safer way. Is known as sewer system. We can say that it is a network of underground pipes used to carry sewage. Here I would like to tell you one thing. As I have written this word system, system means more than one. Here I would like to tell you what is the meaning of more than one. First thing, we need the pipes. It means this system consists of pipes. Some pipes are smaller, pipe diameter will go on increasing. To the place where the diameter is going to change, we are going to put another utility point that is known as a manhole. So it consists of the pipes, second it consists of the manholes, and third one, when our pipes are too much deep, we are lifting this sewage in the upward direction. For this, we need a pumping station. I have used this word safer way, or we have to make the treatment of this one. For this, we need another item for this system known as wastewater treatment. Plant. All these things get together and make the system. Okay, pipes, manhole, pumping station and wastewater treatment plant, these are going to form our sewer system. Now this sewer system basically consists of three types. When I will write down about these types, I will not go in too much detail, but I will just give you very fundamental definition. First one is the separate system. Separate system means domestic sewage is taken out by some other pipe and the rainwater is taken out away from the community by the other network of the pipe. So separate system means our rainwater and the foul sewage is being carried away by separate networks of pipe. Here I will give you one example. Let us suppose that we have this block. As I have drawn over here. Here the two types of the water is being produced. One is this foul sewage coming from the houses, and in order to convey this, we have made this manhole and the sewerage pipes network, and it is going to some treatment. So this is wastewater treatment plant. So this is the separate network. It's going to carry the sewage from this community to the wastewater treatment plant. This circle is a manhole and this length is a pipe. And similarly, as I have shown you over here, it is for the foul. Foul sewage means coming from the house. And next, in order to collect the rainwater, I have an other network of the pipe. It is shown in some different way. And it is being disposed of in some water course. And this is the representation of rainwater. These are the collector after the rainwater and these are the pipes, and it is being disposed of in some water course. This water course can be retention pond, or this water course can be any stream or some other source where the people are going to throw this water. So that is why this I have given you about the brief introduction about this separate system. And after this separate system, I have an other system that is known as the combined system. This combined system means it carries both mean foul water and rainwater in one pipe. This is known as the combined system. When I get a chance, I will also give you the design of this combined system. Just for your introduction, let us suppose that this is my community, and in this community, rain is falling, and this is the rainwater coming out. And similarly, some foul water is coming out also, and all these water is being collected and disposed of by the combined network. So this combined network, it is going to collect both of this one, and so this type of the system is known as a combined system. After this combined system, other system is known as hybrid system. Hybrid system mean sometime the foul water can be mixed up with the rainwater pipe, or sometime rainwater is being fallen into this foul pipes. So it is not all the time, sometimes. So sometimes at some place foul water may enter into the rainwater pipe. Or vice versa. But it is very less practice, very less practice. So these are the three systems which I have given you just fundamental definition, because if you will go on listening each and everything with me, you will be having a very strong concept about this sewer system and the sewer design system. Up to now, for seeing this video, thank you very much.